focus on me. Baby, can you focus?
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today is New Year's Eve and currently it is 12:07 in the morning. I got this burst of energy and I want to clean my entire house. I want to get everything prepared for the new year. I done journaled already, I done prayed and talked to God. I just feel like new energy for the new year and I'm so excited for the new year. Y'all just don't know. I am definitely that girl that's new year, new me. I'm gonna always take January the 1st as a day to restart and start over. That's always gonna be my reset day. I don't care what nobody say, okay? I'm gonna wash the dishes, I'm gonna clean, I'm gonna probably put down these Christmas decorations, which is crazy because I am also the type of person to leave your Christmas decorations up until February. But we're not doing that this year. I'm going to do everything tonight. Enjoy.
Cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurt, yes, I'm hurt. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You'll try to come back when you faint. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not bad. You wanna get with me, stop. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You wanna hear me down when you make it. You'll try and come back when you're famous. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not base. You wanna get with me, stop. Those on this side, those over on this side. Hey, told me about all your insecurities for what? Dragged me like 2 hours to your family's house for what? Said you need some time, but I should stick around for what? Always felt like sticking around's the same as being stuck.
It's New Year's Eve.
And like guns with the ink in it, getting under my skin. Pretty little young thing, had a nigga convinced, got me too excited. Yeah, you play me. You wanna get with me, stop it.
Get some air now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out?
Hey guys.
It's our anniversary. Anniversary. Anniversary.
I should've came from the best of me. I worry that I wasted the best of me.
Hey, future Portia and future Jordan. It is December the 31st, 2024, 11:07 p.m. Future Portia, you're gonna look back on this because you love memories. So you're gonna definitely look back on this.
Future Jordan. I love you.
Future Portia, I hope that you are in your content creator bag. I hope that you're in a better place mentally. I just hope that you are doing your thing and that you are just so happy. I love you, girl. 1 minute to the new year.